Winter Storm Jonas. It is beginning. This is a blizzard that's coming. It's supposed to be between 20 and 30 inches. We shall see. It is Friday, almost 2 o'clock. Buddy doesn't like the snow, but he does like to take walks. Here it is, it's 4 o'clock. And what we have right now is a respectable snow. There's about an inch, 2 inches. It's coming down hard. 4 o'clock Friday afternoon. More to come. Carrie's doing a spot of shoveling. The dog doesn't like it. But he's disturbed by this sort of thing. I figure we need to do repeated hits with the snowblower. My snowblower will only get, I think it's about 10 inches maximum, and we're going to get more than that. It's just after 6 o'clock, and we have just under 4 inches of snow. As they used to say on the Tonight Show, more to come. Okay, here it is. It is almost 11:30 at night. The snow is coming down. As predicted. How much snow do we have? Looks like it's just under 9 inches. Just under 9 inches. Coming down hard. Tomorrow it's going to be a real mess. 7:45 a.m. Saturday morning. We are now at, looks like 15 inches, which means that we got, what, 6 inches of snow last night. Well, I hope the snowblower is up to this. And it is still snowing. Winter Storm Jonas.
And what's going on in this blizzard of 2016. Hey, fancy meeting you.
I know. It's a Saturday morning.
That's right.
Gonna make it happen. 2 minutes after the 8 o'clock hour. Good morning, everybody. I'm Aaron Gilchrist.
And I'm Lynn Yang. If you are just waking up and joining us, welcome. If you're watching TV, congratulations. That means you have power, and that is a good thing.
It sure is. Storm Team 4 meteorologists have been working around the clock, tracking this blizzard of 2016. We want to get right to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Chuck Bell this morning with the official status now. We are in blizzard mode.
Absolutely right. It's weird that it's a Saturday morning. I feel like saying good Wednesday or Friday or Saturday or whatever, but Saturday.
Naomi.
Huh?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. I was just saying hi to Naomi and to Justin and everyone else here, you know.
No, we love Naomi. She's our director. She's the one that makes all this stuff actually show up on the air. So thank you, Naomi, for getting into work this morning. She drives all.
And it's 15.2 at Dulles, and at BWI, it's up there to around 14 inches as well. And north and west of us, most locations there, 15, 16 inches. A few isolated spots. We've had reports coming in of up to 18, 19 inches there. And in southern Maryland, generally around a foot. In parts of St. Mary's County, it's up around 10 inches or so. And
My little electric snowblower is just barely up to this job, but I can tell you this. It's better to have a snowblower that barely works than to not have a snowblower at all. My technique involves two things. You have to go up to get the top part, then you go down to get the bottom part. That generally clears it. I will demonstrate. See, it's a two-pass thing, but it does work.
How much snow are you plowing there? About 18 inches?
I can't hear a word you're saying.
It's about 18 inches deep.
But it is definitely better than trying to shovel this stuff.
The snow's still coming down, the wind is blowing. Ugh! I'm getting snow on me.
I'm very glad I bought this thing, as underpowered as it is.
Well, I'm going to go in because my hands are freezing.
It is at least working. Better than shoveling. It's 10:30 a.m. I've worked out here about an hour and 20 minutes or so, and with that electric snowblower I managed to get the driveway mostly clear and also a pathway to the front door. There's a guy with a gas powered one. Clearly that one's a whole lot better. But this thing is a whole lot better than shoveling. This would have been really tedious back-breaking work if I had to do it with a shovel. So, good on me. Little green snowblower.